Hello everybody, I'm Harry and I'm going to be answering some of your frequently asked questions on our new reporting. First off, where are my custom reports? So custom reports used to be located on the left-hand taskbar here, but we've moved and renamed them. So they're now called layouts and they can be found under settings and under layouts in here. You'll have all the same functionality and a little bit more with layouts, and you can hover over any report and press the little edit icon like so, and you'll then be able to create groupings or whatever customizations you'd like to. Now we can go on over to our financials over here and we can have a look at how layouts react in there as well. So at the moment we've got one of our standard off-the-shelf reports displaying on screen, but I can click on this little layout option over here and I could choose to use one of my custom layouts that I've created previously, or I could even edit the layout on the fly in line like so, but I want to apply this one to the report in front of me. Another question that we get asked regularly is how do I save reports? So we've got this little save icon over here, and now I can save my report. So I could save this as an individual report, or I could add my report to an existing report pack like so. So I'm looking at my demo report pack here if I want to group multiple reports into one place. A little top tip for you, and this is something that not necessarily all customers are aware of, is we've got this little dynamic dates icon. So if we turn on this one, Joiin will ensure that my reporting periods are always up to date and new month's data will always be included in that one. Kind of putting your report on autopilot, we're calling it. Once you've created a report, if you know you're going to use it quite regularly, you can go on over to the reports icon and you can ensure that you've got this one favorited so that it appears in this left-hand taskbar over here, another little hidden feature. If we want to jump into the report now and make some edits, I can scroll down to the particular report in question and I can hover over any report and on the fly inline edit with this little filters icon, and I could change any of the parameters that I want to. I can even change the dates, and I can even ensure that I've got my dynamic dates applied. Something that's new with our new reporting is the ability to add reports at the report level. So if I go on over to here, this little add icon, I can add a new row and I can decide to add a report to my report pack on the fly. So I can press add report and I could choose to include a cash flow and I could choose any of my layouts as well. And now Joiin's going to build that report, and while it's in ghost mode, which is what we're calling this, it's going to just do some running of the report in the background, but don't worry, this report will be saved even if you click off here right now. Another question that we've been asked lots of times and we've delivered with this new update is how can I change the sizing and configuration of my reports? So at the moment, this report here I've got has too many columns for a A4 PDF to download with, but don't worry, we can press this little edit page settings and we could change it from portrait to landscape to give myself a little bit more room, or we could use our nice auto size or auto resizing, which I can click, and that will automatically make sure that it's using the correct fonts and column widths to fit all of my report into one place so that it can be downloaded to paper or PDF. That's just a couple of quick top tips and FAQs, hopefully addressing quite a lot of your questions on the new reporting. However, if you've got any more questions, drop us an email at our support team or open up a live chat. Thank you.